is was. Today is Friday, March the 19th, and we have a breaking news as an update as well. So it is about Mavado's son Dante Brooks, who had escaped for March 12th, but they had to put it back until today, and this is coming in from AFH and Nationwide 93 FM reposted it. It reads, breaking: the son of dancehall star Mavado, hashtag Dante Brooks, has been sentenced to life imprisonment following his conviction. He is not eligible for parole before 22 years. Now, this is a really hard one for Mavado because even since Mavado lose his mother, so considering that, and then this file underneath a high profile case. So if you look on it from a parent point of view, imagine what Mavado is going through. And then again, you don't want to look over what the father, because the father was witnessing the case, what the father is going through. For the father, it is victory. And for Mavado, it's like a double stabbing him heart with him losing him son and him mother. Alright, and this really, for me, just look on it and say, boy, look how Dante Brooks could have been anything based off him father. You know, and not to compare, but naturally we're going to look on our Vibes Cartel, son, them look at Addy and everybody I do them look at sing, but this is really a rough one, and boy, rough. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right.